Alright, Sunday, July 3rd, down at the Santa Clara shooting range. It's myself and Richard, also from SJMCC. And we're going to put down some lead and chew up our frickin' paper targets. I feel like a couple of badasses or something. I don't know. Anyway, let's see how we do. So apparently I can't even shoot that frickin' EOTech holographic sight. I don't know what it is, but iron sights I can. I don't know what the deal is. I have to keep working.
I'll grab them. And we're ready to rock and roll. Okay, Cliff. He's on.
Well, Richard, how's it looking?
Bullseye.
Damn. We're all off to the left, which means that I over-adjusted it a little bit. That's fine.
Looking good.
Decided to use the iron sights, and then I used the iron sights to zero the holographic sight. So this next round should be much better. All right, we'll see how I can do this time. That's it. All right, so Richard and I are going to go and see how well we did. The first couple forays were pretty shitty. You know, it's what happens when you don't zero out your stuff before, but that's okay. We made it. What we did was we zeroed our EOTech off our iron sights. Iron sights were good, so we just went off of that, and we're going to see how well it did. Our last shooting stance where we're actually standing, so we're probably all over the place. It's not a very good place. Very good. The standing is not very good. Let's just say that. Not very good.
I'll second that.
See, even he says so.
Yeah.
It's funny because every time I go and when we're training, we do prone supported, prone unsupported, and kneeling.
Oh, wow.
All right. It's not bad. Not bad. This was after we got it all zeroed in. You know, obviously there was a little bit of work to do, but this is after it was all zeroed in. And this is at 100 yards, whatever that is, in meters. Don't know. I'll have to do it later, but yeah, not bad. What do you think, Richard?
Yeah, definitely not bad.
Yeah. All right. Let's head in. All right, well that's it. That's it for the range today. Overall, not bad. It was pretty rough to start, but you know what? It's fine. We got it all worked out. Richard, did you have fun? Right? Cool. All right. Well, until next time, or until I feel so inclined to make another video. Have a good one.